All right.
Here we go.
Say a good catchphrase.
Are you ready?
I hope you're ready.
Stop! It's hammer time.
Oh.
Dang it!
Minus the hammer.
Not the miss. Bdubs.
I'm a little rusty.
Oh.
Stop!
Hammer time.
It's hammer time.
Bdubs.
It's gonna have to be hammer hour at this rate.
It's hammer calendar. Come on.
Is it hammer time yet?
It's hammer face of the moon.
It's hammer time. Ah! All right, last one. This is
I
it.
want to see him try a bucket clutch now.
This is it. I bucket clutch better than you. I'll bucket clutch competition you right now. Okay.
Yours
Stop.
was clicking, right?
It's hammer. Please be quiet during my moment.
Can you do a different catchphrase this time? You got
It
one.
might help. Yeah.
Looks like the hammer just found a nail. Dang it! What an embarrassment.